Ladies and gentlemen, the time has come. You have asked and I have listened, and now I am going to deliver. I have done a plethora of coaching calls. I can't tell you how many people reach out to me almost daily to get coached by myself that want to learn how to build a business. But the reality is this: my time is not an infinite resource. I can't give it to everybody until now. My business partner and I, Sam Gustin, started a project that I am extremely excited to share with you guys. It's going to separate the weekend warriors that want my time, energy, and efforts with the people who are actually serious and that want to invest into their business to build a real asset from the ground up, just like Sam and I did. Sam is going to do $1.5, $1.6 million in revenue this year with 3 locations. I, 5 years ago, started my business, Military Lawn Cuts, from literally scratch. I bought a $100 mower off of Facebook Marketplace and built a $1.2 million business. We've got 2 locations, and I was out in the field every single property, every single day in the beginning. Now, I do not go out into the field, and it is very, very rare that I am even in the office. The business essentially runs without me, and my sole purpose is to help other people, specifically around finances and business. That's why I wake up every single day and I continue to go to work. I can literally go sit on a beach for the next 6 months, but I choose not to because I want to be here. I want to pour into this YouTube channel. I want to help more people. I'm literally burning money every single day, every single week, and every single month through the YouTube channel. I burn money. I pay my video editor $105 for every video twice a week. And I promise you, we're not making that money in ad revenue at all. I am extremely excited to share with you guys a project that my business partner and I, Sam, are working on. We have created a once in a lifetime and one of a kind type of program. We are building out a resource with everything that we built and learned over the last 5 years of all of the knowledge that we have, all of the systems, all of the contacts, all of the documents, the SOPs, the automations. We are taking our knowledge and pouring everything we have into a school community of like-minded individuals. You will also gain access to myself and Sam, people who are literally in the weeds with you. In fact, we're starting our 3rd location this upcoming spring, and I am going to be assisting in that launch with our business. And guess what? We're going through the same struggles and the same hurdles that you go through, such as how to create systems in your business, how to build route density, how to route properly, how to price jobs, how to hire good quality team members, how to be a leader. All of these things are imperative pillars inside of your business that we are going to share inside of this group. What is the goal and the purpose of this community? What we do is not like any other coaching program. So we cannot compare this to other coaching programs. Number 1, our goal, purpose, and mission is we help home service business owners get off the truck and out of field operations in order to build a business that runs without them in 36 months or less. We are building a blueprint inside of this community with not only all of the resources and documents and templates, but a playbook of how to go from solo operator, just getting started, to having a team and getting out of the field operations in 36 months. We are building a play-by-play playbook for you. Who is this for? This is for any kind of home service-based business, a lot of it is going to be tailored towards lawn care. But the reality is, no matter what home service business you're in, whether it's roofing, cleaning windows, carpet cleaning, like it doesn't matter. We all do the same thing. We sell labor and time. Sure, the material changes, the tasks change, but we are ultimately selling labor to the customer. And so a lot of the systems and the automations and the processes that we build correlate to all home service businesses. So we're opening this up to other people. It is going to be very tailored towards lawn care. We are building a blueprint inside of that for that as well. So what do you get? You get pre-built hiring kits, job ads that you can literally copy and paste. How to track KPIs, key performance indicators in your business. Done with you systems from quoting to sales to operations to the yellow slip process, pay for performance. All of the core components that we use, software, AI, we talk about all of that stuff inside of this group. Every single month, you will have access to myself and Sam for 60 minutes. We are here to help you build your business, all at a fraction of the cost to make it available for as many people as humanly possible. We are pouring all of our time, money, energy, and efforts into building out the base for this group. And we already have a lot completed. With over the next 2 to 3 weeks, we are fine tuning and putting all of the training videos and all of the documents of all of these mini courses and everything that you need to know. There's also going to be membership benefits for people that are inside. We have ties and partnerships with vendors, online agency advertising companies, also bookkeeping services for you to tap in to those discounts inside of the group that we have partnered with other businesses that will provide services for you, again, to help systemize your business and get things off the ground. There is a cost associated with this because we don't want the weekend warrior. We want somebody who is serious about taking the next step, who wants to get around like-minded individuals that, number one, are maybe behind you just getting started, that you can help as a mentor coach lift up, while also you getting access to people that are further down the road than you are, while also having people laterally with you on the same exact road path as you, asking questions, being part of a community that will hold you accountable to accomplish your goals and dreams. The group is called Home Service Scalers, and the link is in the description below of this video. I highly recommend that if you are serious about getting access to myself, to Sam, a lot of people over the years have asked me for coaching. This is your opportunity at a fraction of the cost to get access to me and all of the systems and all of the resources inside of our group. The price of the group is $99 per month to get access. There's no contracts and there's no cancellation fees. For the first 500 people that sign up and join the group, we are giving you guys lifetime access to the group and all of the SOPs and all of the documents and all of the training videos for only $49. And you will be lifetime locked into that price. Obviously, there's no contracts and no cancellation, so there's no risk. If you're not getting value from the group, leave. I promise you, the access and the knowledge and the resources that you will gain inside of the group will far surpass $49 per month. So let me ask you, what is your freedom worth? What is your growth worth? Is it worth one lawn cut per month to get inside and gain access to a community that is going to literally support you and be with you every step of the way to help answer your questions and grow your business and your asset for your family and the team members on your team? What is it worth to you? What is that cost worth to you? For literally less than one mow price for one cut a month, you can gain access inside of the group. If you are on the fence, I highly, highly encourage you. Go down. The link is in the description below and join the group. Take the leap. You can do it. And you will be one of the first 500 founding members of this group. Join us today in the Home Service Scalers group. I promise you, you will not be dissatisfied. Join the group today and let's build your business together.